Vice President Sara Duterte has been formally summoned by the Department of Justice for a preliminary investigation over charges of grave threats. The summons comes in response to a complaint filed by the National Bureau of Investigation. It relates to remarks Duterte allegedly made in a Zoom press conference, remarks seen as threats against President Ferdinand Marcos Jr., First Lady Liza Marcos, and House Speaker Martin Romualdez. In an ambush interview with reporters in Leeds on Tuesday evening, April 29th, Duterte herself confirmed receiving the summons. She said, and I quote, "I also received a summons earlier from the office of the prosecutor regarding a case filed against me by the NBI." End quote. Prosecutor General Anthony Fadullon confirmed the summons to reporters. He also stated that the preliminary investigation will take place on two dates, May 9th and May 16th. This stage of the legal process is crucial. Prosecutors will determine whether there is a prima facie evidence, meaning evidence sufficient to support a reasonable certainty of conviction. If that threshold is met, the case can then proceed to court. The case stems from a February complaint by the NBI. At the center of it are assassination-related remarks Duterte allegedly made during a Zoom press briefing. Those remarks were reportedly triggered by the detention of her chief of staff, Zuleika Lopez. Lopez was held in contempt by the House of Representatives during a committee probe into the alleged misuse of Duterte's office's confidential and intelligence funds. Despite the controversy, Duterte has maintained that her statements do not amount to grave threats. Nonetheless, the fallout from those remarks continues to grow. They have now been included in the articles of impeachment being prepared against her. That process is expected to move forward after the 2025 midterm elections. This summons adds to the mounting legal and political challenges Duterte is facing in the months ahead. Stay tuned as the story continues to unfold.